Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you on how to find friends using your Snapchat map. Okay? So this is just very basic steps. So just open your Snapchat application on your device. Okay, and then tap on the map icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This one here. Then from here now you can see your area, and using this map you can also see your friends that is near you. So if you want that your friends will not be able to see, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and then turn on your ghost mode, so that even though you're online or your location is turned on, still your friends would not be able to see you. And if you want to find a specific friend, just tap on the search icon at the top corner of your screen, this one. Okay, and then type out their username, their Snapchat username, and then you can find their location. So since this account does not have a lot of friends, so just follow these steps, okay? So that's it for this video, and I hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial. Bye!